Antonov An 225 Mraya. This is the largest cargo aircraft in the world, built in the 1980s in Ukraine. It was used to transport satellites and heavy machinery from one place to another. Its front section lifts up to load cargo. It is 275 feet long, about the same length as the Statue of Liberty. It has 6 turbojet engines, can carry up to 640 metric tons of weight, and has 32 wheels. It flies at a speed of 850 km per hour and can travel up to 15,400 km in a single trip. 2. Antonov An 124 Ruslan. This is the second largest cargo aircraft in the world, also built in Ukraine. It's used to transport military equipment, tanks, and heavy machinery. It has 4 engines and can carry up to 405 tons. The aircraft is 226 feet long with a wingspan of 240 feet. 3. C-5M Super Galaxy. This is the largest military transport aircraft in the world, made for the United States Air Force. It is 247 feet long, with a wingspan of 222 feet. It can carry up to 381 tons and is used to transport tanks, helicopters, and other heavy military gear. 4. Boeing 777-9X. This is the largest twin-engine commercial aircraft in the world. It can seat up to 426 passengers. It is 252 feet long, with a wingspan of 235 feet. It can fly non-stop for up to 13,500 kilometers. 5. Airbus A380. This is the world's largest passenger aircraft. It can carry up to 853 passengers at once. It is 236 feet long, with a wingspan of 261 feet. It was designed to reduce congestion at major airports. 6. Airbus Beluga, also known as the accordion plane. It was redesigned in 1965 to transport satellites. It is 141 feet long, with a wingspan of 105 feet. 7. Stratolaunch. This is a unique aircraft used to carry rockets and satellites up to 35,000 feet in the sky. Its wingspan is 384 feet, roughly the length of a football field. 8. Airbus A340-600. A long-range commercial aircraft that can fly up to 13,900 kilometers non-stop. Its engines are made by Rolls-Royce. 9. Boeing 747-8. This is the biggest model in the Boeing 747 family. It is 250 feet long, with a wingspan of 224 feet. It can seat up to 605 passengers at once.